Hello, hello! Today we are going to play more of the Drone Master campaign. I know yesterday I didn't upload, but oh well, sorry. I had some technical problems, let's say. But we are back at this. Don't uh, 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 I don't know what that was. Oh my god, my mouse is centered. Jeez, kill the banana. Yeah. Oh jeez. Die. Die. Perfect. Food. Only this for a whole lizard. Wow. I'm going to eat you. Hi, Pinky. Now I eat. Okay. I think today we are going to make it to pebbles. Pebbles. Oh, ha, ha, ha. That scared me. That scared me a lot. Holy. Rip white lizard. Ay, almost. There we go. Drop wig. Attack the thingy. Yeah. Let me just. No! I do not care. No. Yeah, that thing when I said I was not going to cheat. Huh. No, they do not feel me, basically anything. Oh well. Something going on up there. Yeah, absolutely something. Absolutely food. Oh jeez. Jeez, this is loud. Oh well, die white lizards. There we go. Backflip. Oh jeez. There was a wild lizard there, huh? And one of those freaking things. Oh well, you're so much dead. Huh? Well, he's safe. Not dead anymore, I guess. Well, he's dead. I wanna get the oh well. Why should I get the echo? Why can't just get max karma from Pepsi? Yeah. I'm not gonna get the echo. I'm not going to shelter for the shelter. I'm just going to Pepsi. Come here, drones. I want to grab you. Perfect. No, back. No, I want to do backflip. I was too close. Can I do this? Oh yeah. Come here, drones. Come here, I said. Drones? Oh, there they go. To the wall. Let's see what Pebbles says to us. Maybe Pepsi says the goal of this slowcat. Whatever he wants to do. Okay, let's go. Now I shelter here, not touching that for reasons. I'm sleeping up here. Sleep. Still no cutscene, cinematic, and anything of that. Oh well. No. No touching. No touching. Perfect. Hello, dronies. Okay, pretty easy. Wait a minute. If I grab one of these, I go absolutely holy. I'm going fast. Drop weak. Please kill him. And now I eat. Perfect. Dronies. Now, okay, go. I'm so fast. Meow. Oh jeez, oh jeez. Kill them. Ah, easy. Kill that, please. Oh, they're just coming. What do I need? What do I can eat? Okay, you go there. Die. You. Okay, you can go there. You. Your food. You. Food. Holy, there were like 5 of them. Now. And you. I'm full. Perfect. Oh, this room. Okay. Okay, dronies. Huh? Wait, no yellow, orange things? Good for me, I guess. Oh, geez, a king vulture. I wanna kill it. Where are you? King vulture? Are you going to try to kill me or what? Oh well. See ya. Not touching that. Oh, a king vulture just killed a white lizard. I think it's the king vulture that wanted to kill me, but didn't have the balls. White lizard, huh? Another white lizard attack. Perfect. I don't even need to eat you. Do not try to run from me. There you go. Perfect. Blood. Oh, blood. Sorry. My pronunciation is really bad. Ugh. Another white lizard, huh? Just more victims. Hello? Do you like me? I hope so. Bye. I think I'm not going to shelter on the second shelter that is on the wall. I'm just going to shelter where I am on pebbles, because well, I am not in much danger, let's say. Scavenger. Ha. Die. Why was there only just one scav? Aren't they supposed to be in like groups or something? Oh well. I do not judge. I just kill. Die. Thank you for the spear. And now let's go up. Slowly but surely. Faster, come on. Die. Well, there goes another scav. Not touching that. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. Who cares about the echo? Please? Thank you. Oh gosh. Oh, come on. Meanwhile, they are just... Okay, let me just... No, I want to do the backflip. No. 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 Oh my god. Vale, okay. There we go. Okay, perfect. Easy as that. Let's go, scavengers. Not touching that. Faster. I'm going to kill you, Pebbles. Yeah. I hate Pebbles. This is you're so the freaking Pebbles. Like, who loves Pebbles? Like, he's like the worst person in the universe. By the way, where in the timeline are we? Because if there's cars here, means that we are probably in the timeline of artifice or something like that. Maybe we can visit Metropolis. Who knows? And yes, we are indeed going to visit Pepsi. We are indeed going to do it. And I sleep. Perfect. And okay, this time I am going to go to Underhand to visit Moon. She deserves it. She deserves to be visited. Holy poor scabs. What? Have I gotten a passage? Ignore that one. Let's say hi to Pepsi. I need some popcorn. Does this cat like popcorn? Every cat likes, yeah, everyone. Who wouldn't? Like, no, I cannot kill it. No. Okay, yeah, now. Pepsi time, Pepsi time, Pepsi time. Here we go. Oh jeez. I jumped too high. Come on. Oh, wow, that was really fast. Wait, can I grab a drone? Oh my god, with the drone I can control myself. That's really nice. Even better if I'm going to go underhand, because that means I need to go through pebbles. Okay, hi Pepsi.
Serious.
Oh, I have the mark communication.
A little animal on the floor of my chamber. Is this reaching
I
you?
am not an animal. I am a robotic creature.
It is obvious that you are not a product of natural evolution.
Yeah, perfect.
I'm wondering who your creator are.
I am too.
Sorry, I don't have any idea of the blueprints of your body, and my communication array is already offline, so I can't announce your existence to anyone else. Due to the scan of parts of your structure, you have the ability to read and store information. Your creator seems to want you to be able to gather all kinds of information across as far as possible.
Yeah, I'm
From
scanning
the video
creatures.
sent back by my overseers, it seems that you will inflict violence on the scavengers.
Yeah, I hate them.
Well, I would recommend you to go to my top city and say hello to the neighbors there. Although a purposed organism similar to yours managed to kill their chief not long ago, it looks like they continue to destroy my top structure.
Okay.
Given that the purpose of your journey is to gather information, maybe then we can all get what we want.
Okay.
I have to get back to work, and I hope you gather the ideal
New
information.
New plan. We are not gonna visit Moon. We're gonna visit the scavengers and kill them all. Okay. Nice. So that's my purpose. Kill scavengers. This gives me memories of Artificer. My beloved. Just look at that I love. I can almost float with this. Wait, look at this. Whee! And I think I cannot find any sloop book, so because I haven't found anyone. So yeah. Let's go then. Let's go then. Let me just, I think I can skip it. I hope it doesn't crash. Nice. Okay. Scavenger, kill it, kill it, kill it. Yeah, kill it. Do not run from me. You cannot. Die. Die, pebbles. Nope. Okay then. It seems that it's already open. Maybe it's because one of my mods. Yeah, probably. Fast. Oh jeez. Oh, it lagged. That's not good. Any scavengers don't want to die? Come here. Scavengers, you cannot run from me. I know where you live. The idea is that there's a scavenger here, you know? Please? Ugh, not fair. I do not need a shelter. Who needs a shelter when you have 3 lives, 3 drones that are freaking massacre things? By the way, they did not give me max karma. I need echoes. No touchy, no touchy. No, I almost touchy. Oh, that's new information. That's new information. Yeah, scan. Perfect. Oh jeez. Pretty. Huh? Why are you giving me ads? I am not a civilian. I do not have the thingy. But I do have I do want to murder you. What's that? What is that? Squikara, you are more information. Information is good. More information. Perfect. Wait, this sentence, I think this is more information. Holy. No? Oh well. Pebbles? Jeez. Die. You're so dead if I get you, Mr. Pebbles. Die. 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 Wait. I have gotten a black one, but a white one no. And I know they are different. Because in the Salmos novel they are different, you know? Yeah, perfect, more information. No, get the hell out of here. No, freak you. Oh, yellow ones. That's more information. Ouch. Ouch. I think those are two. Oh jeez, kill it. I'm starting to get a little bit. Oh jeez. Thank God I have. Oh yes, more scanning. Thank God I have the drone, because if not I would be dead, but far from now. Well, technically I would be dead like two times. But you know what I'm trying to say. I wanna kill a flying centipede. Oh, thank you. Okay, perfect. Kill it. Flying centipede as well. Can you sub me? Oh well, no, because I'm already at full food. What people are they? Kill that, please. Kill it. Faster. No. Holy, there's a lot of things there. Okay, let me just get only that. Yeah. More information. Next shelter, and I think I'm ending the video. What the f... Ouch. What have I stumbled on? This is creepy. Well, I think here are mirror beards. Oh. So that's really good because information, and really bad because I have only one life. I'm scared. Who is that? Oh jeez. Help! Help! I'm not in condition to fight. Kill them, please. Meanwhile, I'm just watching the ads of Pepsi. Die, scavenger. I do not like this. I really just don't. This is really creepy. Help! 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 Oh jeez! Told you! Ataquen mi los virus, aguanta mi información. Kill them. Where are my other guys? Why do I only have one of them? Oh jeez, they can't be killed. I'm not going... This is not good. Move. Eat him. I do not have any drones left. I'm so doomed. I want a shelter. Now. Please. Pretty please. Oh god, oh god. I killed pebbles without wanting. Oh, shelter. Holy moly. What the oh wow. This was really intense, guys. I hope you liked it, and bye, I guess. Jeez. I'm probably going to make another video this day, but this was really intense. Holy poor scabs. What did I get? Oh, the outlaw, obviously. And the dragon slayer, wow. I'm getting, and the nomad. Huh? Getting a lot of achievements. Oh well. Bye.